What's up, guys? Got a new package here. Finally getting some more airplanes to the airport. Just got these two today from DJpilot.com, Aviation Collectables. So it looks like we got the Alaska One World 737-900ER. Beautiful model, guys. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Two 739s, guys, to add to the collection here. Let's take a look. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Both 2021 Gemini jets. All right, guys, here they are out of the boxes. Very beautiful, very detailed. I like the satellite Wi-Fi antenna on top of the aircraft there. It's a nice touch. Very good quality. I honestly have nothing bad really to say about these models. They did a great job. And just take a look at the bottom here. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's beautiful. I like the way everything is designed on here. Honestly, guys, just great. So here they are, guys. Thanks for watching. You can see me on Instagram at LAX Model Airport, as well as TikTok and YouTube. And TikTok and Instagram, I'll be posting a lot more on there, so feel free to keep on keeping up with that if you wish to see these airplanes in action. Also, DJ Pilot Collectables did a great job shipping these quickly to me. Really do appreciate that, especially during this busy holiday season. And also good job to Geminijets for these amazing quality and work they put into these models. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.